This 2025 Tiffin Allegro Open Road 32SA is a Class A RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Tiffin is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 7, microwave, TV, Skylight, Slideout, Awning, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, water heater, LP detector, refrigerator, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2025 Tiffin Allegro Open Road 32 SAW is built on a Ford V8 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.